G'day aspiring engineers. This channel is now 7 years old. And you might have noticed that I'm getting on a bit too. Well, that's true. But the older I get, the clearer I'm getting on mission, vision and values. And I'm here to give you a very brief mission statement on future engineering and where this channel's going. But we are still going to be talking a lot about Autodesk Fusion, that beautiful computer-aided design software, and how to use it for beginners. But things are changing. You know, when I first started looking at computer-aided design, I thought that it was an area of rapid technological change. And you might have noticed that it's only getting crazy out there now. Well, for computer-aided design, generative AI is not making very big inroads as yet. But one thing's for sure, the teaching and learning of just about every discipline is going up in the whirlwind. And that makes a big difference to a channel like this one, which is about teaching and learning of computer-aided design. Anyway, I've been thinking a lot about this lately, and here's a mission statement, if you like, in a nutshell, for this channel going forward. The best way to learn is to earn while you learn. Now, I know most of you are hobbyists, and that's not going to change. I'm still going to make a lot of videos and content based on free software so that you can learn the discipline. Now, I'm sure that you hobbyists will still find this useful, but I'm getting really focused now. This channel is going to be helping people start a business from their designs. But I'm getting more specific than that. I'm mostly interested in people who have failed in the past. And you might guess that that's part of my own story. I came this close to bankruptcy, and those people have got a special place in my heart. But also, this channel has a global audience. So I'm very interested in people in countries where there are oppressive regimes. Okay, so there's a little bit about mission. I'm going to be talking to you another time about values and vision. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.